guys, so we are with activity 2.3. For the procedure, please refer to your textbooks. So what is the material we needed? We need an acid, that's dilute sulfuric acid. There we need zinc granules, that's the zinc metal, you can see there. So this zinc metal, we have to react it with this acid, and along with that we need soap water, that's the soap solution, common solution that we use. Okay, now what is the procedure? The zinc granule I should add into this container in this acid, right? When I simply add it to this, you can see we are getting some kind of bubble, right? There you can see there, we are getting some kind of bubbles, some kind of gas is being evolved when the zinc react with this acid. Okay, now we need to confirm this gas, which gas it is being released. Okay, so for this what we'll doing, we'll react the zinc granules with the acid. There's a kind of gas which evolves out, right? Now that gas we need to trap, and that gas will be passed through the soap solution, and that soap solution will form bubbles of that gas, and we need to try to burn it. That's the entire activity. Okay, so what we'll do, let's start with the procedure. This entire zinc granules, I'm going to add it in this. Okay, I'll be adding it into the acid. I'm getting lot of bubbles, you can see, right? So that gas, I'll be passing it through the solution. You'll be able to see there are bubbles forming. Okay, and now we need to burn those bubbles. With the help of candle, we'll just try to burn those bubbles. You have to just carefully observe what happens there. Okay, what's happening? Those bubbles are burning, right? You can see that sound. What noise you are getting? You have observed that bubbles are burning with pop sound. Let me add a few more granules now. We'll try it once again. Small bubbles, what you are able to see. They burn with pop sound. We are able to hear that, I think. So that's the experiment of pop sound I usually call. So what was being happened, which was the gas which was evolved from the solution, and why it was burning, and other things we need to confirm. So let's go to understand the science behind it. Hi, so what we have seen in the activity now, in the experiment, that when we react zinc metal with H2SO4, that is an acid. Okay, what we have observed? We have observed two things there. First thing was, the first observation was, what you have seen, some gas that bubbles out from the solution when we mix them together. Okay, some kind of gas, that's the effervescence we used to call. We obtain those bubbles of that gas. Okay, now when we burn that gas burns with pop sound, right? Or I may call that gas was inflammable, right? That gas is usually that वो ऐसा कुछ gas था जो burn हो सकता है, right? So that gas was burning with pop sound, that we have observed, right? Now we need to conclude this experiment. So let's go to the conclusion part. Okay, to conclude any reaction, what is the trend we are following? Simply what all we had taken as to start the experiment, that we need to take, right? So as we have seen the procedure, we had reacted zinc, right, with dilute H2SO4. Dilute means the acid in which lot of water is added. Okay, so that's we call dilute. Okay, so zinc, when we react with dilute H2SO4, what happens? This is actually a displacement reaction where the zinc being more reactive will displace this hydrogen from the compound. What will get? We'll get zinc sulfate formed, and this hydrogen will be kicked out. That hydrogen gas will be released from the solution, right, from the reaction. Okay, so the gaseous bubbles, what we are observing there, those gaseous bubbles are nothing but they are the bubbles of hydrogen gas, right? We can observe that's a hydrogen gas which is evolving, right? Now we know hydrogen gas is flammable. Hydrogen gas is highly inflammable. It burns quickly. It burns to give H2O, and during this reaction is exothermic, right? This process is exothermic, so lot of energy is released, right? तो simply क्या हो रहा है ना, हाइड्रोजन बर्न होता है, एक्सप्लोड होता है, एक्चुअली वी कॉल इट एक्सप्लोजिव. तो एक्सप्लोड होता है, वो एक्सप्लोजन का साउंड है जो पॉप साउंड आ रहा है, एकदम से धम आवाज आती है ना. सो दैट्स द साउंड ऑफ बर्निंग हाइड्रोजन, राइट? So both the answers we have got. The released gas is hydrogen gas, and why it is burning? Because that hydrogen gas is inflammable. It explodes and it produces a pop sound, right? Now the motto of this experiment, the motto of this activity is that we just need to observe whenever any metal, because zinc is a metal, right? Whenever any metal is reacted with any acid, कोई मेटल एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करो तो व्हाट डू वी गेट? वी यूज टू गेट जिंक सल्फेट. दिस इज नथिंग बट अ सॉल्ट, right? Zinc sulfate is a salt, neither acid nor base, right? So whenever metal is reacted with acid, it forms salt, and every time hydrogen gas will be liberated. To prove this, to show you this, to make you understand this reaction, we had conducted this activity. So just remember, whenever any metal reacts with acid, they form salt and hydrogen gas is liberated. Okay, how to remember this reaction? Just remember pop sound. कब मिला था? When I reacted metal with acid. Correct? So that's about activity 2.3. I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.